I've had this Dometic Go faucet and jug for over 3 years, and I've taken it on dozens and dozens of camping trips. Here's what I like about it, what I don't like, and whether I'd buy it again. The Dometic Go faucet and water jug are a self-contained 2.9 gallon portable water system. Just charge the faucet, fill the jug, and you've got running water anywhere you set up camp. A few things I like about it. 6 liters or 2.9 gallons is about right for me for a weekend, but it's not so bulky that it takes up a lot of room in the Jeep, and when it's full it's still pretty manageable. I like the touch on off switch on the faucet, especially if my hands are dirty, and the faucet will automatically turn off after 1 liter, and that's going to help prevent you from completely draining the tank if it accidentally gets turned on. But it isn't perfect. At about $150 when I bought mine, I think they're still pretty close today. That's pretty pricey. It's a lot more expensive than just your basic 5-gallon water jug. The hose that comes with it is really too short to mount the faucet anywhere except for right on the jug. I bought this hose on Amazon so I can mount my faucet away from the jug a little bit. Another issue I have with it is the LED light. I really did like that light. It helps light it up when you're making coffee early in the morning. Mine quit working after about a year. It doesn't seem to affect the function of the faucet any, but I really did like that light. And one thing to keep in mind, if you camp in cold weather, this pickup tube that connects to the lid where your quick connect is, even when you disconnect your faucet, that's going to stay full. And I had mine crack in freezing weather, which is my fault. It could be prevented. You could drain it, but that's something to watch out for. And on that same note, on the way down here, I forgot the straps to strap my water jug in, and it fell over, and I busted that cap. So I do have a replacement. It's cheaper when I replace this. It was about as cheap to buy a whole new jug as it was to just buy this one piece here. So I just bought another jug, so I've got one of those at home. So that's another tip. If something does fail, I believe I just buy a whole jug. I think this was $30, jug's $50. So would I buy it all over again? You know, I think I would. There's definitely cheaper options out there, but for the way I use water, it works for me. And after 3 years, every time I press the button, I get water. It's never failed me. The best camping gear is the gear that quietly does its job trip after trip. 3 years later, this Dometic Go faucet still rides in the Jeep on almost every trip. And that probably says more than anything else I could tell you.